for this type of problem, you have to change. You have to convert the percentage. You always have to convert the percentage to a decimal. So this would be 0.1 times 500, which would be 50. Okay, here we do not know the base, but we do know the percentage. Again, convert that to 0.1 equals 250. So that's 0.1 n. And then you divide by 0.1. And divide by 0.1. And you get n equals 500.
So base is percent times amount.
Base.
Percent divided by amount.
The amount divided by the percent. Yeah. By the percent, right. Because what you're doing is you're solving algebraically. So you're dividing both sides by the 0.1 or 0.10. And then for the last one, when we don't know what the percent is, this one tends to be the trickiest because here you're dividing by 500, right? Divide by 500. And so the zeros cancel and the 5s cancel and you get 0.01, right? So basically, actually that's 0.1 because 5 goes into 50, that would be 0.1.
Percent is
but, yeah.
Divided by amount?
Well, see, you're just solving algebraically, so yeah, it's going to be amount divided by the base.
Amount divided by the base.
Right, because it's the same. See, the process is the same each time. Look up here. You've got the amount, right? You've got the percent, and you got the base. So you just put in the amounts, wherever they go in the equation, and then you solve algebraically. The problem is with percent, okay, you get a decimal, but they want the answer as a percentage. So you have to move this 1, 2 places to the right, so that would be 10%. Okay, so when you're trying to find percent, you're going to get a decimal, and then you got to move it 2 places to the right to get your percentage. Okay, so that's one thing about percentage, solving for percent, that you have to remember. All right, questions with that?
On the second one.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, basically what you're doing is you always have to convert the percentage to a decimal. Okay, so that would be 0.1 n equals 250, right? And so now all you're doing is you're just dividing by 0.1. You're just solving algebraically. Okay, well, when you have a decimal, that when you're dividing a number by a decimal, your answer will be larger. Okay, because really what, I could go through algebraically how that works, but if you put it in the calculator, try it on the calculator, you'll see it works that way. All right, any other questions? All right.